And that is what he did. For 100 years or more he did wait there by the brook so colorful in spring, relieving in cool waters in summer, rough and rolling in autumn. In winter's cold embrace as hard as steel, he stood there by the brook, concerning his promise to her despite his yearning. What adventures and promises he set aside as he waited there, his promise to abide. No winter's gale, nor summer's burning would turn aside his windswept brow. A rock and tree both called him brother, so still was he, for he would take no other. Returned she there, one day she came, calling out his name upon a flowered lyre. His voice was stone, his face begrimed, sinews like twisted roots, arms like branches she passed beneath, past rocks once his boots. Away, away, down yonder way, to where the brook becomes a river. Her voice in song carries words of love, which he will hear forever. Nor summer's burning would turn aside his windswept brow. A rocking tree both called him brother, so still was he, for he would take no other. Returned she there, one day she came, calling out his name upon a flowered lyre. His voice was stone, his face begrimed, sinews like twisted roots, arms like branches she passed beneath, past rocks once his boots. Away, away, down yonder way, to where the brook becomes a river. Her voice in song carries words of love, which he will hear forever.